Welcome students of class 10 in the period of geography. We are discussing chapter 9 soil. Today the topic of our discussion is prevention. Means the preventive measures of soil erosion. How should the soil erosion be checked? There are 7 preventive measures of soil erosion: terrace farming, shelter belt, contour plowing, strip cropping, construction of dam, plugging gullies and planting trees. One by one we will see the explanation of each point. Number 1 is terrace farming. The terraces are made on the hilly slopes by cutting the soil so that the slantation of the slope should be reduced. As the slantation will be reduced, then there will be less soil erosion on the slope, and whatever the soil will be eroded from the upper part of the slope, that will be collected on that terrace. So there will be no loss of fertile soil of the slope. In this way, the soil erosion may be prevented. This type of farming is practiced on the hilly slope or any other kind of slope. So, the main thing is the terraces are made on the slope by cutting the soil to reduce the slantation of the soil, through which the soil erosion is checked. Number 2, that is the shelter belt. We know wind is the most important agent of soil erosion in desert area. Fast blowing wind, because there is less vegetation in desert area, the soil particles remain loose, and that loose soil particles, those loose soil particles are easily carried away by the fast blowing wind that you have seen soil creep and siltation in the process of soil erosion by the wind. So main factor is the fast blowing wind. So the speed of fast blowing wind is reduced by planting the trees around the agricultural land. And that type of prevention is called shelter belt. I repeat, the trees are planted, long trees. The trees are planted to reduce the speed of wind, so that the soil erosion will be reduced. This type of preventive measure is found in desert area. Third is contour plowing. Means the plowing along the contour, the plowing along the slope. What happens on the hilly slopes? So many terraces are formed by cutting the soil, and the plowing is done along the contours. The bunds of the contours work as the plowing of contours work as the bunds to check the soil erosion. I repeat, on slopes, many terraces are formed by cutting the soil, and the plowing is done along the contour, along the slope, so that the plowing of contour will work as the bund to stop the soil erosion. Fourth is strip cropping. Means the crops are planted, crops are cultivated, making the strips, alternate strips, and a little gap is left between two rows so that wind can pass easily through that gap. This type of preventive measure is called strip cropping. I repeat, the crops are cultivated, making the several strips. These several strips are made at interval of distances, so that interval of distances can allow to pass the fast blowing wind. This type of process of preventive measure of soil erosion is strip cropping. Number 5, in the flooded region, while the flowing of water is uncontrolled, usually we find the situation of flood. In those regions, dams are constructed to check the speed of water, to allow water to flow in the controlled way. There are several purposes of dams. First of all, and the most important, the flowing of water is controlled so that soil erosion can be checked. Other purposes are to generate hydroelectricity, good for fishery, tourism, etc. In this way, construction of dam, we come to the point that is our soil erosion. Construction of dam helps to check the soil erosion, because a dam allows water to flow in controlled way. The water is stored so that it will not go above the banks of river, and that water is used for several purposes. But main factor is the soil erosion is checked by construction of a dam. 6 is plugging gullies. You have seen in Chambal Basin, you had one example also. Gullies are formed, but those gullies should be broken. Plugging means breaking. Those gullies should be broken time to time, so that rate of soil erosion will be reduced. And number 7, that is very common and the most important, planting of trees. If there is no vegetation, then the soil particles become loose, and those loose soil particles are eroded easily by the agents of erosion. As the trees are planted, the roots of trees catch the soil particles tightly. Those soil particles are not left free to be moved away or to be blown away by the agents of erosion, and soil erosion is checked. This is very common because it has also several other purposes, but the most important purpose is to check the soil erosion.